Ah, way they go. Alpha Romeo, Erica Stalin, and moving out Danori inside Regal Chief, is sneaking by the Red Speak Law, then followed in by Power, Negotiator, Avon Straysure, racing from the outside speed to reach Devil Rising live in Manila. Is the early trailer. Erica Stalin, Regal Chip, Speak Low, Danori Inside, and Racing Import by Sam Four Lanes is Avon Stranger, rather, Anthony number 2, and this one is Power Negotiator. It's Erica Stalin, Speak Low, rushing up by Darrell, and on the outside, Power Negotiator, Avon Stranger is sneaking Danori Inside, as they swing for home. Three runners fighting it out for the lead. Is Piccolo in the middle. Bonstration on the inside. Erica's talent and Regal Chip. And on the outside is Power Negotiator. Bonstration, the favorite, leading by some tonight's Erica's talent live in Manila. And finally, Bonstration live in Manila. Erica's talent number 2, Power Negotiator, Piccolo, Regal Chip, Devil Racing, and Speed to Riches.